Look around you. The water in your glass, the steel in the skyscrapers, the very DNA spiraling inside your cells. None of this should exist. Left to themselves, most atoms are unstable, restless, incomplete. They are trapped in a microscopic struggle for a piece they can rarely find on their own. This internal hunger, this drive to connect, is governed by one invisible force: valency. Valency is not just a number in a textbook. It is an atom's combining capacity, its power to bridge the gap between itself and another. It is the fundamental handshake of the universe. But this handshake is not free. It is a calculated deal made in the shadows of the atomic structure. To understand the deal, you must look at the outermost circle of an atom, the valence shell. Here, the rules are absolute. Nature follows a strict code called the Octet Rule. Every atom is obsessed with having exactly 8 electrons in its outer shell. This is the definition of stability. This is the atomic dream. But most atoms are born with a shell that is either too empty or nearly full. This is where the math of finding valency begins. It is a game of strategy. If an atom has 1, 2, or 3 electrons in its outer shell, it faces a choice. Should it find 7 more to be stable? No, that is too high a price. Instead, it chooses to lose them. Take sodium. It carries 11 electrons, but only 1 sits in its outermost shell. That single electron is a burden, preventing stability. Sodium simply gives it away, leaving the full shell underneath as the new outer layer. Because it gave away 1, its valency is 1. It is a giver. But then there are the takers. Consider oxygen. It has 6 electrons in its outer shell. It is so close to the magic number 8. It won't give up 6. That would be a losing trade. Instead, it hunts for 2 more. Because it needs 2 to reach completion, its valency is 2. And then there are the negotiators, elements like silicon with 4 electrons. They sit exactly in the middle. They don't just give or take, they share. Their valency is 4. But at the end of the hall stand the elite. Neon, argon, the noble gases. They are the only ones at peace. Their outer shells are already perfect, already full. They need nothing from no one. Their valency is 0.